All right, Joan, I have a couple questions for you. What is the cost of a Bioclear restoration?
There are several types of Bioclear restorations developed by Dr. David Clark to address many different patient situations. We can provide you with a cost depending on your specific case needs. Bioclear restorations vary in cost, but they are typically less than a porcelain aesthetic crown. Does insurance cover a Bioclear restoration? Currently, the insurance industry does not cover a Bioclear restoration. Bioclear is considered a cosmetic alternative or a patient-elected alternative to traditional dental methods.
So, Joan, next question for our doctors. What if the doctor is doing a disease control, normal decay type procedure? What about billing that to insurance?
Well, Bioclear can be used as a method of treating a composite restoration. For instance, if you had a patient with 2, 3, 4 surfaces of decay, you could use your Bioclear method and bill your dental insurance using those traditional dental codes.
One of the things that has been interesting as far as talking to folks internationally, I know that folks in Canada and other countries charge a Bioclear surcharge. They would charge their normal composite or composite fee if you're in Canada, but then a Bioclear surcharge depending on the complexity of the case. So it really is going to be dependent on the office to come up with a creative way to get a fair fee for a really wonderful procedure. So we don't want to let insurance get in the way or money get in the way, and I think a lot of doctors have come up with some pretty creative solutions to create something that's fair to both the patient and the doctor.
But they can still use the Bioclear method as a form of treating traditional composite dentistry.